Hey whales, good morning. It's March 27th, Thursday. Let's go over and recap Nvidia for today's trading session. All right, so with that said, with Nvidia, um, let's go over the first path right now where it's the bullish path, right? So if we call this all of a wave 3, and if we call this cycle to be ended, right? So we're on this wave 4 going up for a wave 5, then we can label this as the invalidation level at 104, okay? So this invalidation level means that anything above, as long as price stays above the invalidation level, we can call this a bullish path for now, right? And we can essentially look for further upside, right? So we did mention yesterday that we could be putting in a WXY double correction for Nvidia, and it is in the green box buy zone here, right? So if you were to take a long on Nvidia, this would be the time with invalidation level or stop loss at 104, okay? However, there's a few things that you need to keep in mind, okay? If you look on the weekly time frame, there's an obvious bearish pattern here where we have the left shoulder, the head, and a potential right shoulder forming, or it's already in, right? So what I mean by that is either we have this connector already, and we're going to be going down like this, okay? So the top is in already, or we have one more wave up before we come down like this, okay? So that's basically the two scenarios that I see in terms of the bearish path, right? Especially if this invalidation level here breaks, okay? So you're making sure that you have a stop loss underneath 104, because if this head and shoulders pattern does formulate, whether it's one more up and then down, or we have a straight shot down, you're looking at a target around maybe 75-ish to complete that corrective leg, okay? So essentially, again, you have an ABC that got formed, but then now you have a new connector, a W, X, and Y, okay? So this new connector that's forming, right, on Nvidia here could have been the top. We don't know yet, right, guys? We don't know until that invalidation level plays out, right? We don't know. But if this is the levels that you're looking at, right, the new connector suggests that 75, 74 would be the main algo target for Nvidia on a bearish path here, okay? So you just got to be aware that that can definitely happen. So we're definitely buyers at these levels, right? If Nvidia does break down and the S&P 500 does break down, then 75 is the level that we're looking at, okay? So let's see, right? Still some time here to see if Nvidia can bounce off 113 down to 108, okay? So until then, let's wait for this invalidation level. Let's see if Nvidia can either, push up and then come down like this, right? Or it can keep the higher low, keep going, consolidate for wave 4, and then keep going up, okay? So we'll have to see. We'll have to let the markets decide what's going to happen. And yeah, I'll keep you guys updated every single day. So yeah, see you guys.